Ghetto wire job, isn't it?
Hampton Bay Industrial fan. From what was it, 2004?
December of 04.
December of 2004. And it's a long son of a gun.
60-inch.
60-inch fan. And we got Zachary here to demonstrate it.
Alright, ready? Not yet.
Oh, go ahead and send it on low. I believe this is the first time I've seen one of these in person. Not bad. Yeah, go up one more.
That's 3. That's 4-speed.
4-speed control.
This is speed number 3.
Makes an interesting whooshing noise. I seem to remember hearing this noise somewhere before, though. I don't know if it was one of these or not. Could have been. Anyway, go up to 2, I guess.
It's gonna get cold, too.
Yeah, it's freaking cold out here. It goes. It goes. I do find it weird that it has a kind of residential looking canopy. Anyway, go to high. And this thing will freeze you out.
Ooh. It's a lot of fucking air.
Yeah, it's moving some good air, that's for sure. Definitely the biggest fan that's ever been installed here.
You say it's the powerfulest?
One of them. For sure. Well, most of my industrials go in that spot where the Caribbean breeze is. Alright, shut her down, Hoss. Yeah, this thing is something else. "60-inch industrial" by Hampton Bay. I forgot they even made an industrial, honestly. It's actually pretty decent.
This would be a lot better for during the summer.
Oh yeah, I'm out here freezing my nuts off just to do a fan video. You guys better appreciate it.
Probably get a lot of views on this, though.
Maybe. I don't know if there's too many videos of these. I've never seen many of them anyway, if there is.
Do you think that although I wonder if this is more powerful than a gold line or not. I don't know.
I don't know.
This has much more pitch.
Definitely has.
It's got some kick to it, which I was wondering, do you want to do, when it stops, do you want to do from off to high? I want to see how fast it takes off.
I guess we can. I got plenty of time on the tape here.
The spin down ain't too long.
Yeah.
How much time do you have left?
I got 19 minutes.
Oh, okay, we're good.
This thing has some serious blade pitch, though.
And they're heavy too. They're plastic. Or ABS, I think.
Whatever the heavy plastic is, which I think is ABS.
I don't know if it's outgraded or not. I wonder if it is.
Probably. Could be.
I see videos of people installing these outside, so maybe.
Wonder if this was, I doubt it, but I wonder if it was an SMC, because, I mean, at the time, Hampton Bay and SMC were still kind of making fans together.
No, this is Power Max on it.
Oh, it's a Power Max made? Okay.
Or at least
Alright.
maybe there's some Power Max. Did it say that Power Max one, I think?
I didn't read any of it.
Alright, let's do from off to high.
Off to high.
Maybe.
Get ready for the whoosh.
Yep. Man, it
This
don't
thing
take
would
much.
definitely keep the garage cool in the summer, that's for sure.
Imagine put a set of 36-inch blades on there.
Put the Caribbean breeze blades on
it.
Alright. So there's the Hampton Bay Industrial ceiling fan. Sold by, who sold Hampton Bay? Home Depot?
Yeah.
I always forget. Sold by Home Depot in the early 2000s. This one specifically from 04. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And you got anything to say?
It's impressive. This is my first time experience one. These are pretty good.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And go subscribe to Zach. He's got fan videos too.
Zach Leidig.
Yeah. So have a good one, guys.